Seoul National University Hospital, the undisputed #1 in Korea. So, here's a question. Where does SNUH send its elite surgical residents to sharpen their skill? They send them here, to Gibbeum General Hospital. We are one of only 3 officer training cooperative hospitals for SNUH Department of Surgery. The other 2, the National Cancer Center, a government institution, and Buramé Medical Center, run by the city of Seoul. And then there's us, a private hospital standing alongside national institutions. Think about what that means. The Korea top university hospital look at every options and choose Gibbeum to train their future professors. When you come here, you're not just getting good care. You're being treated by the same expert specialists who teach the best surgeons in Korea. We are the standard that others learn from. World-class training, world-class communication with PLS. Personal language sync, you will understand your treatment as clearly as our residents understand their training. Every details in your language. Trust by the best, choose to train the best. Gibbeum General Hospital near Gangnam.